Hey everyone, it's Nicole, and today I have my April 2019 Boxycharm box. I'm super excited to show y'all what I got in my box this month, and if you want to see what I got in my box this month, then just keep on watching. So, first of all, we have the little pamphlet, which is Peace, Love, Boxy, so like Coachella theme, not surprised at all. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in this box this month. So the first product we have is, not that, that's part of the other thing. This Appeal holographic lip gloss in the shade Trendsetter. Now, I actually do have this on right now, but I can hardly see it. Like, I can see like purple flexes to it, so I don't know. I need to play around with this a bit more, but like it's white and there's like a blue and purple shift to it. And again, you can barely tell like it's on my like you can tell I have a gloss on my lips, but you can't really see the purple and stuff on it. So again, I need to try this on another day where it's not night that I'm filming, so I can see it in better lighting. But this retails for $21, and yeah, so that's all it says. So that's the first product. The next product I have here is the Luxie The Summer Days 3-piece brush set. So it looks like this with a little Ferris wheel in the packaging. I cut off the thing because the packaging was annoying. So like I said, you get 3 brushes in here. The first one is the Luxie 209 large shader, and it looks like this. And I use this just for a crease brush. It's nice and thick enough to do that. It actually packs on very nice pigment. So this is a good brush. I have the 512 small contour brush, which I tried for bronzing and stuff, but I just wasn't the biggest fan. So I don't know what I will use this brush for, to be honest. Maybe for like under here powder. There's no rules to brushes, so I don't know about that. And then this is the 245 small shader, which looks like this. And I've been using this for a brow bone highlight, and I really like how it works for that. So there's that. And this brush set retails for $28. So that's the second thing I got. The next thing I got is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream. I actually have this on, but I have another highlight on top. Now I'll tell you why. So this is what it looks like. It's like peachy. I'm nervous, it's gonna spill everywhere. Okay, so first of all, like dipping my finger into the powder feels soft. That's what it looks like. It looks peachy. And then that's it swatched. And y'all can kind of see it has like a purple tint to it. Now, like I said, just put this on my cheeks and you could barely see it. I need my little, this. I need this. Sorry, I'll get to it in just a minute. Hold on 1 second. There she is. Okay. So I tried wearing this because like every time I do a boxy video, I try to wear most of the products as I can on my face. But this product, I could not. I put another highlighter on top. So honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this, which sucks. I have seen this at Sephora, but just this color is not good for me. I understand for festival purposes, this would be good. Maybe for a bit more tan skin, this would be nice. But for my skin personally, I just was not a fan of this shade. So this one I have to do a pass on. But this retails for $27. Next is the Bodygraphy Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. So it looks like this. And honestly, I don't use eye pencils anymore. And I saw this shade and I was just not impressed at the slightest. Like, it's supposed to be a metallic bronze, but when you swatch it, it doesn't really look metallic-y. I'm just not a fan. So again, this is another thing I have to pass on. And this retails for $14. Also, another thing about this thing, it's like an actual pencil, which is not a good creamy formula. So yeah. The last product we have on my box is this. And this is the Pure Festival palette. And when you open up the palette, this actually comes out too. This is a Pure Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer sample. I haven't tried this just because I typically use concealer, and this is like a one-time thing. Like, and there's a kind of a lot of product in here, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try it later. But this is the palette. I love the packaging. I love the sunglasses on it. So you open it up, and this is what it looks like. It's just a gorgeous palette. On the back, there's a Ferris wheel and palm trees. It's just, gorgeous. You open it up, and honestly, I will say when I first saw this palette, I was like, okay, cool, like, that's a nice palette. But once I opened it and held it in person, I kind of fell in love with it more. So this is what it looks like. You get 4, 8, 12 eyeshadows in here, and you get 2 pressed glitters as well. So I'm gonna, and also a very nice mirror. I'm gonna swatch all of these for you. I actually am wearing Free Spirit, Psychedelic, and 24 Karat Magic today on my eye. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and swatch. So the first one is Free Spirit, which is like a champagne-y gold shimmer shade, and that's what it looks like. I think it looks stunning. Sorry the lighting's not the best, but it's pretty. I usually use this for like a brow bone highlight. Next is Psychedelic, which is like a gold. Honestly, I put this on my lid and I wasn't the happiest with it with the brush, so maybe with my fingers. And I did spray Fix Plus and it just didn't go on as nicely. So I'm kind of with that one. Next is Good Vibes, which looks like a copper color, which is kind of pretty, to be honest. Interesting. Also, we're going to ignore the fact that my neck is blue. I think it's my necklace that I need to take off. Anyways. Next is Peace, which I don't even know what kind. I think this is supposed to be like a green gold. Yeah, that's like a gold, like an actual like green gold metallic. I will do a flashlight. Oh, I need to do swatches of all this. I'll do that at the end. Like at the end or on the side of the screen, you'll have like a close up with flash of the swatches, but this is just like in this light that I have. Next is Epic, which I have worn, and I actually do like it. I wore this in the crease and all over the lid. It's a peachy orange shade, and I put 24K on top, and it was actually really, really pretty. So that. Gypsy, I have not tried yet, but it's a nice, not metallic, shimmer purple, and that's what she looks like. Next is Wild Child, which is a hot pink, and that needs to get picked. Oh, Jesus. That's in my carpet. Okay, anyways, Wild Child. Okay, I see you. I actually need to get a carpet for right here. Remove that carpet here, I think is what we're gonna have to do. Anyways, next is 24K Magic, which looks like that. And I'm swiping, and that's how it is, and it's gorgeous. My friend used this for the first time the other day, and she was shook by it, and I was like, yep, it's really, really pretty. Next is All Night, which is like a nice dark brown, which would be good for like a smoky eye, I guess. And then I have Hidden Desert, which looks like a brown red shadow kind of ordeal. And then I have Sunset, which looks like a pinky red shimmer shade. Oh, it's not, this one doesn't swatch the best. I just did 2 swatches, but that's what it is. And then, if I can get this off of my fingers, I am sadly. Then the last one is called Fireworks, which is gorgeous. It's like red with gold shimmer in it, and I haven't worn this yet, and I'm really wanting to wear it because it's stunning. But yeah, that's this palette. Again, this is a palette I'm still kind of like working with and like playing with to see how I feel about it. So is it the best palette that I have in my collection? No, but honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm kind of wanting to play with Wild Child more because the fact that it's like that pigmented is kind of calling my name. So maybe one day I'll be able to they transfer. Cool. But yeah, that is that. So for this month, I have to say, honestly, the Luxie brushes are my favorite, and the palette, and like legit, sadly, that's it this month. I just was not a fan of the shade of this. The Appeal lip gloss, like it's cool and all, it's just the fact that I have MAC Velvet Teddy on, and when I swatched it or whatever, it looks like MAC Velvet Teddy was in it now. I don't know, I'll have to keep playing with it. And then the Bodyography pencil, I just don't ever like these kind of pencils. I just think they're crud. But I do like these, and I'm not mad at these products. So tell me down below what y'all liked and stuff. Again, like, if you liked any of the products that I didn't like, I don't mean to be, you know, like, if you like those products and they work for you, that's amazing. But personally, for me, they did not work. So I'm going to have to pass on these. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you totally should. I have Boxycharm unboxings, I have vlogs, and hopefully soon I will have some makeup videos and maybe a new series coming up on my channel. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are. Bye, guys.